Good morning, guys. Laura from Hedgehog's Homestead here. Today I'm just going to give you a quick garden tour, and then I'm going to water my garden because it needs some water. I just noticed. So it did rain this morning, so I didn't bother watering, but it looks like some of this stuff needs a little more water than that. So this is my basil. I need to cut it back. And you cut back your basil and it will grow some more. You cut it back to an area where you have two leaves across from each other, and you will be growing more basil. It will bush out, and that's the great thing about it. I need to cut back some of this thyme. And if this is rosemary, this is just something fun. And let's go inside. Got some zinnias over there. And we will go out to the backyard. Okay, in the backyard I also have some herbs I need to process. I've been cutting and coming again with my lettuce. Looks like I have some parsley that I need to harvest here. Looks like it's been pretty hot. So we got some dead lettuce here, which is not surprising. More parsley, spinach down there. The spinach doesn't look like it's handling the heat very well. But again, it's been in the 90s. I need to harvest all this cilantro because it's getting too hot for it. It's starting to bolt and flower. Which I'll harvest some of it and let some of it flower. Strawberries over there. We have been getting a lot of strawberries, but not eating a lot of strawberries because this little guy down here loves to eat my strawberries and my tomatoes. And he finds them before we find them. So not so fun. Now, here's the garden. And that is for a future project. It's a pool that's not in great shape, but I don't care. Well, that's not a good bug. That is not a ladybug, folks. That is, I forget what kind they are. They're a beetle that's not good. So I am going to make a garden space out of this. So look for that coming up. That should be my next video. Excited about that. This tomato plant is not doing really any better. So what will happen is it's got a tomato on it. I'm going to let it grow and see what happens because I've never seen tomatoes with this problem before. So I'm just going to let it go, see what happens, and there we go. I will not throw this tomato plant in any compost. It will go in the garbage. I'm continually getting cherry tomatoes already. Those are my onions. Look like somebody broke an onion off. And need to weed that bed. Still getting a little damage on my peppers, but also getting some peppers. I've got 5 peppers on this one plant already, and sadly it looks like I need to water. Oh shoot, I forgot to get ties for my tomatoes. Silly lady. Got some sun scorch here, and look what we're getting here. Cucumbers. We'll let that one get a little bit bigger, and then we'll pull it. I already pulled one in the house, but we're getting cucumbers. Don't look so healthy though. They probably need a little bit of shade. Kale's doing great. Loofah's doing great. This kale I've been picking from a lot, and Norman, the vegetable eating dog, and his counterpart, Astro, like kale. So he always comes to this one. So this pest right here is called Norman. I just can't, I might have to put up a fence, guys. Squash plant there, a little loofah. We've got some squash here, some yellow squash. This is a new plant. And then got some more loofah here. Got some little bugs on there. And it's climbing up the fence there. My tomatoes I need to tie up, and it looks like we have the starts of some baby tomatoes. But I need to tie these up because they're falling over. Or maybe I'll just move that tie up higher. And no bell peppers yet. This is the California Wonder. Looks like I need to get a can of beer over here. And then we got this squash here. That is what's happening in my garden. Not much. But need to tie up these tomatoes. And take care of the little suckers. Look at that right there, guys. Is a giant sucker. See how it's in between two branches? This one right here where I'm pulling. This huge sucker. Now if I wanted, I'm letting my tomatoes bush out this year. Just because I don't have a lot of time and a lot of space to grow. I don't know how tall they can get up on this fence, and how I can do that. So if I wanted to, I could take that sucker off and put it in some water, let it grow some soil, which I might do that. And since I got that, but you guys, I'm gonna put potatoes in that. So look for that video coming up. I've grown potatoes successfully in a smaller pool than that. That is a bigger kiddie pool. I have grown potatoes and tomatoes in kiddie pools before. I had several kiddie pools and I grew all kinds of stuff in that. I grew garlics and herbs and all kinds of stuff. And I got some dill today. And what else did I get? I got dill and I got some chives because I'm gonna grow some potatoes. So guys, that is it. That is the garden tour. Just a quick little garden tour, not much to it. Need to harvest some stuff, need to take care of some business out here. Gonna get on that, and enjoying these hot days. And I think I'm gonna start watering a little bit because stuff is not watered enough out here, even though it rained this morning. Wait and see what's gonna happen in that kiddie pool. I'm gonna grow stuff in there. I already have the soil. I gotta collect some other items, and then we will be in business and start growing in the kiddie pool. Can't wait and see. God bless you guys. You guys have a great and amazing day. And remember, I'm living my dream. Go live yours. See you guys next time. Bye.